Now, we join Phindile as she shares indoor plants that enjoy bright lighting conditions.
Your sunny window can be more than just a place for light. It's the perfect spot for a mini garden bursting with color and fragrance. Today, I'm showing you how to create a bright, cheerful display using 3 plants that love the same sunny window conditions: Begonia, Fuchsia, and Lobularia. Use a quality potting mix that holds some moisture but still drains well. Begonia, compact and colorful. Begonias provide a long season of blooms, from vivid reds to soft pinks with glossy foliage that reflects the light beautifully. Fuchsia, known for their delicate bell-shaped flowers in shades of pink, purple or red, fuchsias add a graceful, romantic feel. They enjoy bright indirect light and regular watering to keep their soil evenly moist. Perfect for a warm window that gets gentle morning or filtered afternoon sun. Lobularia, also called sweet alyssum. This one cascades gently over the edge of the pot, covered in clusters of tiny white or lilac flowers. Its honey-like scent fills the air and softens the whole arrangement. These plants all thrive in bright light, ideally near a sunny window that gets morning or afternoon sun. Water when the topsoil feels dry, but don't let the pots stand in water. Roots need to breathe. Pinch off faded flowers often. Begonias respond with more blooms. Fuchsias will keep producing their dangling bulbs, and Lobularia will stay lush and flowering for weeks on end. For the best results, feed every 2 weeks with Wonder Color Boost plant food. It keeps blooms vibrant, strengthens the plants, and extends the flowering season, giving you a continuous, cheerful display right by your window. It's easy. Just add to your watering routine every 2 weeks and give your plants a good drench. You can also use it as a foliar feed to boost plant health. With begonias for bold color, fuchsias for elegance and charm, and Lobularia for that soft scented touch, it's easy, fragrant, and endlessly rewarding. Proof that even the smallest space can hold a garden full of beauty.